In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Classic and Gutenberg editors stripping of paragraphs and breaks. Here I am on one of my websites that I blog to, and you can see here that on this particular post I have two paragraphs here at the top of the article. Now when I go in to edit the article, you can see that I have my two paragraphs here, but then when I view text, you can see that there are no paragraph marks. And say, even if I add them in, if I update and save, they'll go away. Now the exception is if a paragraph has a style in it. So if it has a style in it, it will not be removed. So that's one technique for avoiding it, but that's a hassle. An easy way to solve this potential problem is to use a plugin. Generally speaking, I like to blog with the Classic Editor, and to solve this problem for either the Classic Editor or Gutenberg, you do that with a plugin. So under plugins, select Add New, and there's a plugin called TinyMCE Advanced that, if you install it, has an option in it to fix this, plus it gives you some additional features. So in Add Plugins, you're going to go ahead and type in TinyMCE. You'll see TinyMCE Advanced by Andrew Oz show up here. You're going to go ahead and install and activate that plugin. Now you'll activate it. Once activated, you can go down to Settings, TinyMCE Advanced, and on Block Editor or Classic Editor, under Advanced Options, it has Keep Paragraph Tags in the Classic Block and Classic Editor. So when you check this and click Save, the problem is then solved. I'll show you that in a second. But before I do that, I wanted to show you that when you select it here under Block Editor, click on the Classic Editor tab, you'll see down here under Advanced Options that the Keep the Paragraph and Breaks is still checked. So checking it on either one checks it for both. So if you switch back and forth between Gutenberg and the Classic Editor, then this one solution will work for both of them. Now let's go ahead and go back to our test post that we're taking a look at here. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Post in order to get in here and take a look at the article itself. So I can see I have my two paragraphs here, and if I select text here, you can now see my paragraphs stay here. Even after I do an update, you'll see that the paragraph marks stay there. Without this plugin installed and without an option selected, these would disappear. The paragraphs and breaks would disappear. So depending on what plugins you have installed, this may become a problem. Some plugins will disable the default functionality of WordPress where it will obey these breaks. And so what you want is you want to keep your paragraph and breaks in here so that no matter what plugins you use, your paragraphs will stay intact. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video.